You reckon? No, that was like a big tarpon or something, bro. Oh.
Yep. Nice one, man. You good? The puppy.
Oh.
Oh, funny.
Oh, he's got some fight to him. Woohoo! That's a good flatty. Check that one out.
Nice. There's my Braid.
Cheers.
Yeah, not bad.
Okay, hook's out. 55.
55 bloody. That's pretty good going.
55 on the dot.
Big bloody crab puts.
Look at the colours on him. Fucking green. Awesome. Alright.
Take off this side real quick for a minute. There's a little snag up there high.
Yep. Whoa! Oh!
Again, man. I'm changing. Changing back.
Bro, I might have to put the jackal on, man, to actually get a hook up.
Nah.
Oh!
Nice. That's a good jack right there. Oh no, he's a
Cod.
good fella. What?
I think it's a cod. Oh no. It's a,
That's a jack. It's a little fella, but
oh.
go, yeah, he runs up.
Check him out.
Little side.
Bit hard to get these lip grips in. There we go. Oh, you had some braid on there. Check that boy out, eh? Nice little jack. We'll get him back in. See ya. Cheers. Ooh. Ooh! The fuck was that? It just snapped me. What the hell? So I'll put my cast right in there. Ooh.
And again.
Little GT.
Oh, yep, I'm on boat. Oh,
Doubles.
double, hook up. Oh, I think I'm on a cod.
Get mine in the boat. Oh. Get them on the deck together.
Oh, little baby GT.
Shoo! Doubles. Yeah, bro.
Oh, that was hectic, man.
Oh.
He started to splash, massive.
Yeah.
Right, and then snagged. I nearly lost him. Man. I hopped him over that log. I got him.
Nice little black spot or
No,
gold spot cod.
Yeah,
He's
I
got
got
goldy
some.
spots. Yeah.
Gold spot.
Slimy boy.
Very angry.
Yeah.
Hey, you can go back, I think. I'll grab you.
Yeet.
Oh, you bastard. There you go.
See ya. Oh, dropped him.
Really, again, man? No, you're getting on all the time. Oh, yep.
Nice.
Oh.
Little barra, I reckon.
No, it's a jack. It's a big jack. It's a good jack. Nice little jacks there.
Oh!
Yeah, buddy, that was so close into the snag.
Nice, bro. That is a good jacker boy. Get him out.
Holy. That's the crabber's way of getting a fish out of the
Fucking worked, didn't it?
Shake him. Shake him till he gets.
Slide him there.
Oh. He's not that big, but I thought he was. Yeah, no.
Nice.
Just 37. I'll put him hard up. Yeah,
Look at the
37.
colours on him, man.
Oh, boy. So there we have it.
Nice.
I'll throw him back, eh?
Feisty boy.
God. Very cranky. Yeah, fucking like me a bit cheeky bugger.
Nice. What? Oh. What the hell is that? A little barracuda?
Yeah.
Oh no!
I'll just pull him in and
Where's the batten where you need it?
it is in there.
So he catches a jack, and I get a bloody barracuda. Oh.
Oh. Throw him back. Oh.
Doesn't want to go, he wants
You're
to
about
stay
to
here.
go home, dude.
He wants to stay here with us.
Hold on. You're about to go home. Stop it.
Bap, bap. Bap.
You scared me. There you go. Go home. I could have just gone 2 hours to Hinchinbrook.
Why? Because we watch too much YouTube. What was that?
It's a barra. Yes!
Whoa!
Well, not targeting these. We're definitely targeting jacks. But good shit.
Good bit of bycatch,
That's
but
awesome.
oh man, he's like, oh, I'm gonna
coming
guess
out of
60, 63, 64.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, you're good. 61.
61 and a half. Nice little barra. Went 62. It's closed season, but so we're getting back in quick. Spear him in. See ya.
Nice release.
Woo! Oh. Fuck.
Hello.
Oh. Yeah, righto, mate.
Dumped away.
He scared me, eh?
How random. Funny bird.
Wow, that was a big one, man.
Oh, yep. Oh. He's got me.
Hit your electric. Almost reached.
Yep.
Mischievous cod.
It's a good lesson to tighten up your test your drag.
He's a black spot.
Yeah. Oh.
You get a phone call.
Nah, it's my alarm. It's bite time.
Yeah.
Send him back.
Oh. Holy! I hope I was filming then.
That's a good back. That's a good jack.
Oh.
Holy, you cranky bastard. Okay.
Alrighty. Just got this wicked looking red dog. How good does he look? Beautiful red, nice eyes, full of teeth. Let's get him on the measure.
He looks like he's going 45.
Nah.
Not quite. Nearly 40.
So
30,
here's,
38, 39.
I'd say 30.
He's just off 39.
Oh no, 39 to the tip.
Nice, man.
Yeah, good looking
Nice
one,
little,
eh?
Nice jack. Right, we'll chuck him back. Too deep, he says.
Alright.
He smokes you right at that tree, eh?
See you, mate. Go on.
He smokes you right.
Yeah. And that was all on. Little 4-inch Seaman, paddle tail. Red, I don't know what the colour code is. Just on a 6-ounce jighead. Oh, just missed it. Jared's hooked up. Nice red dog.
That's another one.
Oh, bro.
I thought that. Oh, there's like a whole layer of mangroves going into sticks, going all into the water there, shooting out, and I just gone right over the top of it.
Jared's just landed another 36cm jack on fire today.
You reckon day we get this healthy looking fella home? Gone.
Jesus! Big fat gold spot.
Seamless transition.
Thank you. Oh man, this guy had a real hard crack. Oh, he's got my line wrapped in his gill. There we go.
You found the cod zone.
Oh, check him out. Another nice gold spot cod, you could call it. Let's get him back. See ya. Hey, so you just saw that. We had an awesome time on the lures. A few jacks, barra, flatty, couple cods. Awesome day. So now we're just going to head back, shoot home.